How to enable Passkey on CoinEx. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Passkey is a modern login security method that lets you sign in using your fingerprint, Face ID or screen lock instead of password. So if you want to enable Passkey on CoinEx, first thing to do is to open the CoinEx application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Once you do that, on the next page, tap on Security. Under two-factor authentication, you'll see Passkey option. Simply tap on it and then click on Add Passkey on the next page. In order to add Passkey, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and check your email service provider's inbox for the associated email. You'll receive a verification code from CoinEx. Click it open and copy the code that you received. Get back to the CoinEx app and paste it in. Once you verify your email and the code is correct, you'll be taken to the next page. Here, if you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to type in the two-factor authentication code as well. Go ahead and do that. I'm going to open up my Google Authenticator and copy the code, paste it in, and then on the next page, tap on Start Creating at the bottom. You'll then be able to see this pop up. Click on Add Passkey and scan your Face ID or your fingerprint. Right after you do that, you'll be able to enable a passkey and add a passkey. Now, the passkey will be activated successfully. Now your CoinEx account is more secure and easier to log in. No need to remember passwords every time. So there you have it. That is how you enable passkey on CoinEx app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.